So today we're gonna unbox and test out this 4K camera with a 16 times zooming in for video and picture. Take a quick look at this box, digital zoom in, and it's 44 MP video camera and every single thing. Right here it tells you the stream is 2.4 inches, auto shoot, blur shoot. Comes in many different type of color. We got the gray one. It's a beautiful looking camera, very lightweight. And you can see right here, we're going to be putting in our battery or stuff right here. So it comes with a nice bag, a pouch right here, so you could put it in and secure it after so the kids don't destroy it. We got this part for your hand right here. It comes with the charger right here. And we also have a battery right here. So right here, we have a 32 GB memory card that came with it. So that's pretty good. It puts in right here. Power button. Got a blue light. It's coming on. Look how clear that is. That's pretty cool. And then if you want to take a picture, you just press on the top right here, and then we got a power button. Make you look really good. We got a nice flash right here, and don't forget it's a 4.4 pixel. So we're gonna take a picture. We're gonna go to picture from here. We come picture in the middle right there. Oh, that's neat. Oh, I like that. And if we want to see that picture, we come right back here and pops it up right here. We want to delete it. It has a trash can right here. You just press the trash can and you go confirm. You could move with it. The kids could really easy use this. You could get smaller kids or teen. This is the video right here. Look at that. You have a lot of different like features and stuff in it, so that's pretty cool. Plus you could control the flash, and you got a menu option here that you could run through and set like a lot of different setting, record sound and slow motion and all that, so that's pretty neat. But if we come back here to the camera, and then we're gonna go to the menu real quick. I just want to show you, look, you got photo, you got time, you got auto, you got a lot of features in there, buddy. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I gotta tell you, I like that. Kids gonna have a blast with this. Sometimes your kids are not even old enough to have a cell phone, and you want to get them a camera to take out, amazing pictures and make it nice memories. This here, it's definitely a good idea. You can see right here. It's an affordable price. It's not expensive, I'm going to tell you right now. Check in the description box for price and details on this camera, especially the holiday right now. I'm pretty sure it's on Black Friday sale and stuff like that, but overall a really nice, good camera, because a lot of the time I feel like certain cameras will be so much expensive and it does basically the same quality or the same purpose. This is great for kids slash teenagers, or even for an adult. You want to use it, but if you want to get something high end as an adult, you definitely get into the most expensive camera. But this is a good affordable camera, best budget, and it got good reviews on Amazon. And I'm going to tell you my review right now. I like it. I don't see a problem, especially for the price. You're actually paying for something pretty decent overall. And we have our pouch to save it so the kids don't damage it or scratch it after they finish, because sometimes kids will just throw it away. So I got this here. My daughter's 7 and she's going to be using it, and she knows how to use it without any hard time. I showed her once how to use it and she figured it out pretty fast. And then my 6-year-old son has one he's been playing around with, and they'll go around and take a bunch of pictures, and we just upload it directly to our computer. You get to save all the pictures and delete which one you want. And this right here is easy to use and delete. It's not high tech or any kind of features like go crazy, but it's a 4K, really good zoom. The zoom is 16 times zoom, is pretty impressive. This, if I was a kid and I grew up and I had one of this, oh my god, I would be like the coolest kid in the block to have a camera like this. All right, thank you so much for watching Product Zone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Honest review, good thumbs up here on Product Zone. If it was crappy, I would have let you know this thing is garbage, but it's not. It's a really good, decent camera for the price.